everyone, here we are going to continue with exercise 12b of the chapter midpoints and its converse. We have already did till question number 3 in our previous video. Now we will be continuing from question number 4. Now in this question we have been given with a triangle ABC और इस triangle का BP और CQ एक median है. Median means this P is a midpoint of AC and Q is a midpoint of AB. फिर ये जो BP दिया हुआ है हमें BP will be equals to PM. It has been given to us. और साथ ही हमें ये भी दिया है that CQ is equals to QN. Now we have to prove this line NAM. ये तीनों points एक line में lie करते हैं. That is NAM are collinear points. So we are going to prove this triangle NQA congruent to triangle CQB. जिसमें हमें मिल जाएगा this side is parallel to this one और ये side इस side के parallel होगा. After that we'll be proving these two triangles congruent और उसमें भी हमें ये दोनों पैरेलल मिल जाएंगे. अब जैसे कि ये लाइन BC is parallel to NA और फिर BC is parallel to MA जिसमें A कॉमन पॉइंट हो जाने की वजह से ये पूरी एक स्ट्रेट लाइन हो जाएगी. So we'll be able to prove that NAM are lying on a straight line. So very first of all we'll be proving NQA is congruent to triangle CQB. Now in triangle NQA and CQB NQ equals to CQ, that is this side have been given to us. Then AQ equals to BQ, ये दोनों side भी हमें दिया हुआ है. Then NQA equals to angle CQB, that is NQA और CQB ये दोनों angles vertically opposite angles है. So they are equal by vertically opposite angles. अब इन दोनों triangles को congruent prove करने के लिए हमने इस side का use किया है, इस angle का use किया है और इस side का use किया है. Therefore they are congruent by SAS congruency criteria. Now we can prove this angle equals to this one as CPCT. Let this one be angle 1 and this one be angle 2. So angle 1 equals to angle 2 CPCT. Now ये दोनों angles angle 1 और 2 interior alternate angles भी हैं. Therefore this line will be parallel to this one. So here we get angle 1 and 2 are also interior alternate angles. Therefore NA is parallel to BC. And also NA is equals to BC by CPCT. Now we have proved this line is equals to this one and this line is parallel to this one. Similarly we can prove this line is equals to this one and this line is parallel to this one. Now here we get NA is parallel to BC and AM is also parallel to BC. अब जैसा कि NA और AM दोनों ही BC के parallel हैं और जिसमें A common है, this means this is a straight line. So as NA and AM both are parallel to BC, therefore NAM is a straight line. और अगर ये एक straight line है, therefore M, A और N तीनों एक collinear points हो जाते हैं. Then we have to show that A is a midpoint of N and M. उसके लिए हमें ये show करना पड़ेगा कि ये side इस side के बराबर है. So if you take this equation and this equation, so from equation number 1 and 2 we get that they both are equals to BC. So NA is equals to MA and therefore A is a midpoint of MA. Hence proved. Now in question number 5 we have a triangle ABC in which angle B is obtuse angle. ये एक obtuse angle है. Obtuse angle means इसका जो value होगा वो 90 डिग्री से बड़ा होगा but 180 से छोटा होगा. Then it has been given that D and E are the midpoints of their respective sides. ये इसका midpoint है और ये इसका midpoint है. Then we are being given that EF is a line parallel to AB. EF is BA के parallel गया हुआ है और we have to prove this BEFD. ये जो figure बना रहे हैं, this is a parallelogram. सबसे पहले तो हम लोग एक triangle लेंगे ABC in which this E is a midpoint of BC और फिर ये line इस line के parallel. So with the help of converse or midpoint theorem, we can prove this BF bisects AC. That is F is a midpoint of AC. And here we get in triangle ABC, E is a midpoint of BC and EF is parallel to BA. ये दोनों चीजें हमें दी गई थी. Now by converse or midpoint theorem we get EF bisects AC. That is इसको दो equal part में divide कर देता है. और अगर ये दो equal part में divide करता है, this means F is a midpoint of AC. Now we have got F and E both are the midpoints of their respective sides. So this line will be half of this one. So parallel तो पहले से दिया हुआ है. This will be half of this one by midpoint theorem. So in triangle ABC we have got E and F are the midpoints of the side BC and AC respectively. अब ये BC और AC का ये midpoint हो गया. Therefore this line will be half of this one. अब जैसा कि हमें पता है that D is a midpoint of this AB. तो इसका अगर हम हाफ करते हैं तो वो DB के बराबर हो जाएगा. So we can write this one as EF equals to BD. अब EF BD के बराबर भी है और EF BD के पैरेलल भी है, तो ये एक पैरेललोग्राम फॉर्म कर लेगा because as one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel both. So here we get also this is parallel to each other, and as one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel both, therefore this is a parallelogram, hence proved. Now in question number 6, we have been given with a parallelogram ABCD in which E and F are the midpoints of the respective side. ये इधर का midpoint हो गया और ये इधर से midpoint दिया गया है. Now we have to prove that this triangle is congruent to this one, that is BHE is congruent to triangle FHC. फिर उसके बाद हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि ये जो बीच का फिगर है ये एक पैरेललोग्राम ABCD के बराबर, we know that is a parallelogram, तो BE BCF के बराबर होगा बिकॉज E और F इसका मिड पॉइंट है, तो अगर ये पूरा पूरा बराबर है तो आधा आधा भी बराबर होगा. देन वी कैन टेक दिस एंगल इक्वल्स टू दिस वन एज वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल, और इस एंगल को हम इस एंगल के बराबर यूज कर सकते हैं एज दे आर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल, क्योंकि ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल होते हैं पैरेललोग्राम में. वेरी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव प्रूव्ड दिस BE इक्वल्स टू CF एज AB इक्वल्स टू CD, क्योंकि ऑपोजिट साइड्स हैं पैरेललोग्राम के और ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इक्वल होते हैं. So here we get AB equals to CD as opposite sides of parallelogram. और अगर ये पूरे पूरे बराबर हैं तो इनके हाफ भी बराबर होंगे. So as I multiplied half on both of the side. फिर half of AB होगा BE because E is a midpoint of AB. Similarly CD का half हो जाएगा CF because F is a midpoint of CD. Now we'll be proving these two triangles congruent. Now here in triangle BHE and triangle FHC, we have got BE equals to CF. We have just proved over here. Then BHE is equals to angle FHC. So angle BHE equals to angle FHC because they both are vertically opposite angles. अब फिर ये एंगल इस एंगल के बराबर होगा as interior alternate angles. Now इन दोनों triangles को congruent prove करने के लिए we have used this angle and this side. So it is AAS. So triangle BHE is congruent to triangle FHC by AAS. Congruency criteria. Now we can prove this side equals to this one as CPCT. जैसे हमने EH को CH के बराबर शो किया, similarly we can prove DG equals to EG. Now in triangle DEC, H is a midpoint of CE and F is a midpoint of CD. तो अगर H और F आपस में मिड पॉइंट से अपने अपने साइड के, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम यूज कर सकते हैं. And on using midpoint theorem, we'll be getting this line is parallel to this one and this line is half of this one. Now here in triangle DEC, we have got H and F are the midpoints of the CD and CE respectively. Therefore, by midpoint theorem, we have got FH is parallel to DE and FH is half of DE. अब जैसा कि FH इसका parallel है, therefore this FH is also parallel to GE. GE का भी parallel हो गया, and this FH will be equals to GE because DG और GE आपस में बराबर है. EG and DG are equal to each other. ये चीज हम लोग प्रूव कर चुके हैं. So we can write this one as FH is equals to GE because we have proved this one over here. So here we are getting that this line is parallel to this one and this line is equals to this one. So as one pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal and parallel both, therefore it is a parallelogram. And here we get one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Therefore, GEHF is a parallelogram. Hence, proved. That's all for this video. Thank you.